So proceed tayo on the next part. Punta tayo sa three-phase connections. So, meron tayo iba't ibang three-phase connections. So, three-phase transformer natin. So, okay, so balik tayo sa calculate. Okay. So, sa three-phase, so meron kayong three-phase bank na tinatawag, di ba? Sa three-phase connection. Meron kayong banking. So, yung kVA rating ng iyong three-phase bank, i-add mo lang yung total. So, kung meron kang bank, na tatlong transformer. So, let's say this is 25. Hindi, gawin na natin yung medyo meron i-add. So, kaya meron kang tatlong 37.5 kVA. O, i-add mo lang lahat yan. So, you have 102.5 kVA. So, ito yung magiging kVA rating ng iyong three-phase bank. So, add mo lang lahat yan. So, kung tatlong 167 kVA ka, so that is 500 kVA. Diba? Okay. So, ganun lang yan. So, add mo lang yung tatlo. So, this is actually 166.67. So, round off 167. So, 166.67 kVA ito. So, ginagawa lang na 167 ang nakalagay dito. 167. Okay. So, that is 500 kVA. Okay. So, paano makuha yung full load current? Full load current tayo ulit. So, full load current natin for a three-phase. So, we have your S divided by, parang lang to, sa AC circuits natin. So, meron ka diba doon na I is equal to your S over your 3 voltage line to neutral, diba? O, meron ka ring S is equal to square root of 3 times your VLL or line to line. So, same formula lang. Okay, so this galing sa inyong circuits, three-phase circuits, DC circuits, circuits 2. Okay, so same lang. So, meron kang S kVA over 3 times your line to neutral or line to ground. Okay, also equal to your S divided by square root of 3 line to line. So, take note, multiplier is 3 kapag line to neutral or line to ground. Okay, kung may nalilito pa sa inyo dito, yan o, 3 kapag line to ground. Okay, and then square root of 3 kapag line to neutral. Okay, so meron tayong 150 kVA transformer. Okay, so same high voltage winding. So 6.56 amperes on the primary. So parehas lang ng sa isang 50 kVA. Since ang kinuha natin is your line to pag ito. Okay, since ayan. So same current yan as 150 kVA single phase transformer. Okay, so ito yung formula natin. Take note of this formula. Galing lang din yan sa inyong circuits. Okay. Transformer connections natin for what we call this for banking. So, i-upload ko pala mamaya. I-upload natin. Meron ako nakitang video online ng transformer banking. Na-explain dyan yung mga connections. So, we have yan. So, ano yan? Ito. So, meron tayong delta to delta, Y to Y, Y to delta, and delta to Y. So, ang ginagamit natin sa Palawan, ang common na ginagamit is the Y to delta. Okay, Y to delta. Ang ginagamit natin dito sa atin, Y to delta. Kasi we have your 13,200 volts by 13,200 by 7620 Y. Okay, so nakatap tayo sa 7620 Y. Okay, so meron kang connection, so Y. And then pag labas sa secondary, you have now your delta. Meron din gumagamit ng delta to Y. Okay? Kasi nagiging output nila sa Y, nagiging output nila on the secondary side sa Y is the 400 by 230 400Y. So the 400Y Y connection siya may 230 volts. Kasi merong mga motors yung company or yung establishment na 400 volts. So 400 volts line to line and 230 volts line to neutral. Okay. So, meron ka diyang 1, 2, 3. So, A, B, C. Tapos meron kang neutral. Meron ka pang ground. Iwang na. So, pag tinap mo yung phases, that is 400 volts. Pag tinap mo yung isang phase sa neutral, that is 230 volts. Okay? So, may gumagamit ng ganitong system. May makita natin. Okay, so first, delta to delta connection. So, this is the delta to delta connection. So, ayan ang connection niya. Nakalagay naman dito. And then, doon sa in-upload, yan, naka-upload na pala yung transformer banking na material sa ating classroom. So, mayroon diyang video. Makita niyo yung pag-connect niya on your transformer. So, may natingnan. Ito kasi nandito sa module is the parang schematic diagram or the singular line diagrams. Okay, so H1, H2, and then you have your X1, X3. So, the transformer is additive. Okay. So, ang delta to delta connection, so ginagamit yan to supply a small single-phase lighting load and 3-phase power load simultaneously. Okay. So for the service, the mid-top of the secondary winding is grounded. So kung makita nyo itong kanina sa drawing, ito, ayan no, yung mid-top, X2, yung mid-top natin is the X2. So the X2 is grounded. Ayan, no? So the symbol na yan, that is grounded. Zoom natin ang konti. Ayan. So the symbol is grounded. Yan, ganyan. No? Ground yan. So that is grounded. Okay. And connected to the secondary neutral conductor. Okay. As shown in figure 2.10 ito. Okay. So therefore, the single phase loads are connected between the phase. Okay. So between the phase yung single phase loads and neutral conductors. Okay. So for a delta to delta connection, wala kang problem from third harmonic overvoltage or telephone interference. So no problem. Pero ang problema natin for this one is we have high circulating currents. Okay? Meron kang high circulating currents. So unless na yung tatlong single phase transformers mo ay connected on the same regulating taps ay meron siyang same voltage ratio. So the bank rating is decreased. So the bank rating is decreased, okay, unless all transformers have identical impedance value. So importante ito. So importante sa banking na parehas ang iyong tap. Taps, same ang voltage ratio, and then same ang, hindi makita. Yan. So same ang tap, same ang voltage ratio, at same ang impedance values. So importante yan sa parallel banking. Okay. So ito. So for a balanced transformer loading, ito yung sasabi natin. Ayan yung tatlo na yan. So we have say identical voltage ratio, identical impedance values, and connected on identical taps. Okay. So para balance yung transformer loading. So pwede naman kung sakali na yung dalawa identical, pero yung isa hindi, pero within plus or minus 25%. So kapag within plus or minus 25% yung impedance value ng transformers mo, pwede pa rin sa delta to delta bank. Okay. Pero meron kang small unbalanced transformer loading, and then siyempre reduce din yung output capacity ng bank na yun. Okay, so yun yung sa ating delta to delta. So, tapos, ang isa ring maganda for your delta to delta, okay, tatlo kasi yan, di ba? Tatlo na transformer yan. Kapag nasira yung isa, ayan, nasira itong isang transformer, nasira, maka-cooperate rin yan siya. Okay, pag nasira yung delta to delta. Ang mangyayari, we now have your open delta connection. Okay. So, open delta to delta. Sira yung isang transformer. Okay. So, sabi dito, yan o. If isang transformer is sira or tinanggal, pag sira yung transformer, biglang nasira, so makapag-operate pa rin naman yung ating ah, makaka-operate pa rin yung ating transformer bank. Ang problema lang is that your load, okay, is decreased, or your connected load must be decreased by 57.7%. Kasi na rin kaya niyan. Okay. So, kunyari, meron kang 100 kVA na si-supply noon. So, para maka-operate pa rin yung delta to delta bank mo, dapat ang load na lang, 57.7 kVA na lang. So, nabawasan. Okay. So, may calculation yan dito kung bakit ganun nangyari na 50, may calculation na sa taas. So, from these formulas, ayan ng delta to delta, ito yung formula. And then, pag open delta to open delta, ito. And then, side by side. Okay. So, you have your, ayan 1 over square root of 3, or that is 0.577 or 57.7%. So, yun siya. So, take note, okay, so the open delta bank make up 66.6%. So, di ba? Kasi tatlo yan. So, tatlong transformer yan, each 33.3%. So, kapag dalawa na lang, syempre, 66.6% na lang yung installed capacity. Okay? Pero ang sasusupplyan na lang niya is 57.7%. Hindi niya kaya 66.6%. Okay? So, kahit na 66.6 pa natira sa capacity, so let's say we have 100 kVA na tatlong pase. Let's say 500 kVA yung 500 kVA yung tatlong pase. Di ba? Nasira yung isa. So kapag 500 kVA, you have tatlong 167 kVA. Nasira yung isa. So therefore, you only have 333. Teka, sino ba? So 167 times 2. So we have 167 times 2. 333 nga. Tama. Hindi pa naman nakakamali. So 333 kVA. Ito yung kaya. Ito yung installed capacity, This is the installed capacity ng transformer. Pero ang load na kaya na lang yan ng open delta to open delta. Okay, so kapag open delta to open delta, ang load mo na lang is just 57.7%. Okay, or that is 288.5 kVA for a 167 kVA na transformer. So ito na yung kaya niyang load kapag open delta to open delta. So 288.5. Okay. So yun. So ano na naman yan, kapag nasira yung transformer, so mapapalitan naman kagad yan. Basta may pambili yung may-ari, di ba? Okay, next, the connection is Y to Y. Okay, so Y to Y. So the Y to Y provides 808 volts, 3-phase. So meron kasi mga 3-phase motors na 208 volts. And then you have 120 volts na single-phase power supply for lamps. This is in the US, 120 volts. Okay. So, ang isang advantage ng Y to Y, okay, kasi noon, naka-delta yung natin system, so pinanggagawa lang na Y. So, para mag-increase yung capacity. So, kung noon, meron kang So dati kasi meron ka kunyari 2.4 kilovolts na delta. Okay? So para mag-increase yung system capacity noon, ginawa nilang 2.4 by 4.16 Y. So pwede pa rin magamit yung mga transformers noon. Okay? So yung 2.4 by 4.16 Y kV na transformer na na-connect and Y ang magagamit. Okay? So pero ayan. So that is the Y to Y connection. So, ang isa ring problema ng Y to Y, okay? So, meron kang problema, meron kang disturbances on communication circuits. So, meron kang telephone interference sa immediate vicinity ng iyong distribution circuit. Yun ang problema. Meron ka lang interference. Okay. Next is the Y to Delta connection. So, ito yung ginagamit natin sa Palawan, the Y to Delta connection. So, Ayan. Dito tayo sa sunod. So, ay ito ang connection natin for your Y to delta. Ito. Ito. So from the primary line, so we have your three-phase four-wire. Okay. So we have the A, B, C, and N. Okay. So ito yung sabi ko kanina, H1 tap mo sa A ng unang transformer. Yung pangalawang transformer na H1 tap mo sa B. And then yung sa sunod tap mo sa C. And then yung H2, i-connect mo yung H2. Lahat ng H2 yung connect mo. Okay. And then i-ground mo. Punta sa neutral. Yun yung connection natin for your delta to Y. And then for your secondary, tayo sabi ko kanina, connect mo yung X1 to X3. Oh. Ayan, X1, X3, X1, X3. And then, ito, X3 to X1 ang kasunod. Nakakonect din yan. Okay. And then, tap ka, yung X1 to X3, tap mo. May tap yan. Punta sa isang phase. Ito yung isa, punta sa isang phase. And then yung isa, punta sa isang phase. So, if you're A, B, and C. For the, so we now have the three-phase, three-wire secondary service. So ito yung connection na ginagamit natin. Okay, yeah. So in the Y to delta connection, so that voltage or transformation ratio is 1.73 times. Okay. So when transformers of different capacities are used, the minimum safe bank rating is 3 times the capacity of the smallest transformers. Okay. So kunyari, iba-iba yung transformer rating mo. Meron kang 25, tapos nagkabit ka ng 15, tsaka ng 25. So, yung maximum na rating, safe rating ng bank mo is that 15 times 3, so 45. So, 45 kVA, yan yung maximum safe bank rating. Nakadepende sa smallest transformer. Ito 7.5 na. Okay. So, nakadepende yan sa maliit. So, gawin 27.5 itong isa ha. So, nakadepende yan sa maliit. So, sa 15. So, 15 times 3, so you have 45. Kapag magkakaiba yung capacity. Pero kapag parehas naman, let's say 25, 25, 25, so meron ka lang 75 kVA. Times, add mo lang yung tatlo. Ito, pag magkakaiba, nakadepende sa pinakamaliit. Then, times 3, so you have 45. And then, syempre, pag nasira isang transformer ng isang isang Y to delta, meron kang open Y to open delta. Meron kang open Y to open delta na connection. Okay. So, dalawang transformer na lang. And then you have your, so yan siya. So, makapag-operate pa rin naman ang ating system. Pag nasira yung isang transformer sa Y delta, magiging open Y, open delta. And then we have the delta to Y connection. Okay. So, ito, ginagamit na rin itong open Y to delta connection kasi, kunyari, meron kang primary, di ba? Meron kang primary. And then sa secondary mo, ang nagiging voltahe na is, ito yung 208, that is 400 volts. Okay, and then we have your 230 volts. Okay, so ang secondary is the 400 Y by 230 volts. So ginagamit na ito sa Manila. So ginagamit ito widely ngayon sa Meralco. Bago lang ito. Yung 400 Y by 230 volts. Okay. So yung advantage nito, siyempre 400 volts yung yung voltage. Diba? Na secondary. Mas maliit yung wire. So, kaya ginagamit din na itong 400 volts. 400 Y by 230 volts na system. Kasi kapag sa secondary ka, maliit lang yung secondary conductor. Kung compare mo sa 230 volts, di ba? Sabi natin, kapag galing sa secondary, ay sa primary, di ba? Tataas yung, magiging malaki yung, what we call that, yung voltage. Kasi ang formula natin is I is equal to S over your V. Diba? Constant naman yung S natin since yan, diba? Since Pares lang ang rating niya, 50 kVA. Same ang rating yan on the square root of 3 para tayo, di ba? Kasi 3-phase. So, 150 kVA. So, 150 kVA, 3-phase nga pala to. So, square root of 3 times P. So, mas maliit yung, ano natin, magiging current. So, therefore, maliit din yung wire. So, mas makakamura ka sa wire, sa conductor. So, kaya ginagamit rin nila itong 400Y by 230 volts. Okay. Ang isa pa doon, ginagamit din nila ito pag meron sila mga motor loads na 400 volts. So, line to line, 400 volts. Okay. And then the line to neutral is 230 volts. So,